Hi there. So welcome back to my channel. After some time, I'm doing this video because I found something interesting while playing with Oracle Virtualbox and Windows XP. So I have Windows 11 as my host operating system, and I'm running VirtualBox, and I installed Windows XP virtual machine. And as you all know, we want to transfer files from the host to our VM and from VM to a host. And for that, we set up something called a shared folder. So I'm going to show you how. So when I tried to set up a shared folder, it was not coming up in Windows XP for some reason. And then when I was digging and I realized that I found some articles saying that I have to install uh, what you call guest additions. So, but when I went in, I saw this get guest additions, upgrade guest additions option disabled. Now, as you can see, it's enabled, but before it was grayed out and I couldn't use it. So I'm going to show you how I did it, how I enabled it, and so that you will not face this issue going further when you come across it. So what I did was I went to the settings of my virtual machine. So here are the settings. Uh, I go to settings, and then if I went to storage, and then in here I will show you. I think I'll have to stop my virtual machine. I'm going to stop it. So in here what I did was I went to add an OS optical drive, and then you will see this VO VirtualBox guest edition ISO. So this thing gets downloaded when you download VirtualBox, and this will be there. You don't need to download it from anywhere else, because I did the mistake of trying to find this VirtualBox guest edition, and I don't see where I can download this. And also the guest edition must match the exact version of the Oracle VirtualBox that you have installed. So it's a nightmare to download it. So this is the one I downloaded. It's an older version. It doesn't work. So, but it was already there in here. So the only thing I had to do was I needed to edit, choose and edit, and it came up here. And then after that, you can enable this live CD, and then I will show you what happens next. So then I will start my virtual machine now, Windows XP virtual machine. So it's starting up, Windows XP. I'm sure this brings back a lot of good memories to you guys. Yeah, so after Windows XP starts, you go into my computer, and then you will see this VirtualBox guest edition. And then what you have to do is you have to double click it and go through the installation. It will take you through the installation. Just click next, and it will do its thing. And then you will have to reboot the virtual machine, and then after that you will see your file share. So this is on my local computer. I will show you. So this is the folder that I have set up, the shared folder, and then once you click on it, you will see whatever you copy here, you will see you can access it from your Windows XP host virtual machine. So I hope that this helps you in your work, and then you can make use of this. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.